Hello traders, the title of the video is Pitchfork Tool Trader is using two Pitchfork tools and plays mind games. Alright, so we are using a two Pitchfork tool and we also want to play the mind games in the financial markets. Alright, the Pitchfork tool allows traders to determine the possible path that the price is likely to take. It's a powerful technical tool that most technical traders are neglecting. In this tutorial, I will be using a two Pitchfork tool and I will be going into the mind of other traders. So you will see that I have on my chart the Pitchfork tool, the brown one, selecting 3 points. This is the first point. I choose this low here, and this one here. All right, so 1, 2, 3. I draw my Pitchfork tool, the brown one. So you can see that the price was inside that Pitchfork tool, so it was below here. This is something normal that we should expect. It breaks above the median line, try to retest the median line. This is a beautiful setup here. Why? Because the price was retesting the prior high. So you have to be careful. So that's why I say to traders, we usually say brace above, retest. So most traders will be saying should stop exactly on the median line, but there is a better support below, which is the prior high. So sometimes traders will enter too early here. They will be taken out. If they are not emotional, they will come back again and join it here. But if they're emotional, they will go away, only to come back a few months later to see how that trade was successful. So when we say breaks above, I'm talking about the bigger Pitchfork tool. I'm going to color this one now into dark green. So I'm talking about the brown Pitchfork tool. So you see here, it breaks above the median line, retest. So anytime you're using the Pitchfork tool, pay attention to the normal key levels. So you see here, sometimes you will stop exactly on it, but be aware, you see, especially if it's a previous high, you see, nice, even pierce through it. Try to retest which moving average? 100. Wow, I thought moving averages are useless, isn't it? Well, let's not talk about that in public place. Okay, now here we are. So you see them? So now we understand why the price pierced through the median line, because he was desperate to retest the prior high. It's a high probability trading setup here, right there on the median, or retest now. So then the price continued to go up. So from here, pull back, you retest. One thing that we say to traders, we'll also draw a line to the upper half or the lower half of the Pitchfork tool, if you accept that. You see here, so it went inside the upper half, hit the median line, of the upper half. You see how useful it was, and then pull back, try to retest the median line of the bigger Pitchfork tool, but prefer the previous high. And then now it start going up. What do we pay attention to? From here, if it come above the median line here, first target. Which one? Let me remove this line for now. First target is the median line of the upper half. You see this half here. People took profit there, try to pull back to retest the moving average 20. Can you believe that? So in fact, if you look carefully, some traders may disagree and say, George, you are making it up. It's a kind of, the reason why I want to highlight this is because I'm going to talk about another inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. This is what we call a slanted inverted head and shoulder. See how the left hand side shoulder is a little bit lower than the right hand side shoulder. This is the head here. So there was a low, TSCW24 trader know that, a low, a lower low. Now, if we have a new higher low after that, it's indicating to us that the bearish momentum is diminishing. Here it is. Boom. All right. Remember that inverted head and shoulder. I'm going to show you another one similar. That's why I'm talking about playing the mind game. So we are using Pitchfork tool So he brace the balls here. Okay, so from here he retest the median and the upper half, pull back to retest the moving with 20. Now if he's going up, what do we watch? This the upper level of the brown pitchfork to the two profit there. If he brace above that upper level of the pitchfork tool, we will think that the market will prefer to pull back to retest the yes or no. All right. Why they didn't bring it all the way here? Is there a better trend line in comparison to that? You need to, whenever you are expecting the price to pull back to the pitchfork tool, check other key level or trend line around that level. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just without too much blah 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 for my side. Okay, bear with me, please. I'm trying to draw a line that okay. Let's draw a trend line. Okay, let's draw the trend line like this. And that trend line is this one. So, okay. No, this is not good. All right. Let's connect these two. See which line they are preferring. Yes, that's the one. See this point and this point. That's trend line there. That's what. Can you believe that? So now you'll be wondering why they didn't come all the way here. No, some people were buying on the edge of the moving average 20. All right, but also there is this trend line here. This one, this blue trend line, which is almost the median line of that green pitchfork tool. So why am I using two pitchfork tool? Because you can see that as the price, okay, now you see here, now we can say it went up, so we use the brown pitchfork tool. You can see again, it went up from here, that's the first point there, and it came up here. Now we have again a significant low here, near the moving average 100. So 1, 2, 3, allow her to draw another pitchfork tool. The price is going up more. So it's here, it's going almost vertical. We need another pitchfork tool to show us the possible path that the price is likely to take. The brown one was helping us before when the price was not speeding too fast. Now you can see that the price is going too fast. So our first pitchfork tool is no more useful to us. We need, okay, another instrument. All right, it's about the nuts, you know, different screwdriver, different size of a screwdriver to drill into to find out, all right, what's going on here, and this is useful to us. So how about going to the mind of other traders? So, all right, going to the mind of other traders, as I point out to you, that's the funny inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. You'll be amazed. The reason why I'm using that word because of some traders will disagree. I can hear people banging the table there. Okay, you see this? So price came down from a low, and then it formed a higher low. Right? Now, some traders are calling this now an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. Do you agree? Left head and right hand side shoulder. All right, they are quite gigantic. Significant low here, significant low here, another significant low here. The line that I placed there before was the neckline of that new inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. And using the two pitchfork tool and also playing the mind game, which means we want to go into the mind of other traders to know what is going to their mind, those crazy traders that are doing all kind of things. You'll be amazed what traders are doing on their chart. So those traders going to their mind and playing the mind game will be doing something that they will be using from the head to the neckline, and they will project it vertically, that is either here at the breakout point or here. So they will be certain, some will do like that. They will say, George, as the price pushing it up like this, you remember yourself, you say that the price does not go up for no reason, is headed to a specific target, and that target is in a zone of $80. Another traders may place it just like this. Directly, see where it was vertical like this, they did like this. They put it exactly the same vertical line like this. And those traders will draw a line right there. So that's why those traders, going to the mind of other traders, those traders that did exactly what I just done, like this, vertically, on the same line, vertically, all right? Those are the traders that took profit here. You see here? Do you see people take profit here? Those are the traders. Some of them came out here. But another group that set their target like this, at the breakout point, they say, no, not here, here. All right? But then, as you can see, if the price coming out of our pitchfork tool, our new green pitchfork tool, we can measure the width of that green pitchfork tool and project in the direction of the price. Or we can use another pitchfork tool. Which one? All right, my friend, become a bit messy now. This one, that's it. 1, 2, 3. Very tiny one. So on the monthly chart, it looks like that one is not very useful. But if we go, for instance, stay with me, please. I want you to see it. You are my friend. Where are you going? Huh? All right. This will make you smile a bit. If you go to the 50 minute, can we see 50 minute time frame? You see some line here. Okay, let's go to the hourly time frame. You see my pitchfork tool, the one that I draw lately now. You see how on the hourly time frame, the one that I draw now on the monthly chart. Oh, let's go to the 2-hour time frame. Then you can see more data. You see, that's the one, the latest one that I've drawn now on the monthly chart. So probably you see how it touches here, found a resistance, touch it, found a resistance, touch it, found a resistance, almost retested here. Though on the monthly chart, it looks like it's not useful right now, but on the 2-hour time frame, that latest pitchfork tool can also be useful to us to help us to determine the possible path that the price will take. So you see, every time I change time frame and I draw a new pitchfork tool, automatically, am I a machine? No, I'm not a machine. I just get into a habit of doing that. Then I draw the median line of each half of the pitchfork tool to see whether, okay, all right. So this will conclude our discussion today about pitchfork tool trader is using two pitchfork tool and plays mind games. Are we allowed to play mind game in the financial market? Are we allowed to play mind games when we are day trading? Are we allowed to play mind game when we are swing trading? Let me know in the comment section. And also, are we allowed to use pitchfork tool or more pitchfork tool? Yes, we are allowed to use as many pitchfork tools that we want to use, especially if the price is speeding, okay, and going from outside one pitchfork tool to another pitchfork tool. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let me know by sticking your beautiful thumbs up. Thank you very much. You think that, George, I'm not impressed. All right, your performance is going down. All right, George, the same story. Mark it down. All right, that will force us to go back to our YouTube creator drawing board. However, if you think, George, are you kidding me? For the first time in your life, I've been watching your video for 10 years. This is the only time that I am impressed. All right, that this is an amazing tutorial. Feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel today. It is free. And click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the STW24 traders talking about a pitchfork tool trader is using two pitchfork tool and plays, okay, mind games. What is your favorite game? Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.